Okay, hello everyone. Now we are going to calculate the probabilities using the Z-score, but this time we assume that we don't have the Z table, yeah. However, for a particular question, it has a special uh, Z-score or rounded Z-score like this question, for example. Okay, at UCB school, the final exam score typically have a mean score of 80 with standard deviation of 10. Yeah. What is the probability that a randomly selected student's final exam score is greater than 60? Okay, now let's move to OneNote. Okay, in here, first we need to calculate Z score first. So what is Z score? Z score is to calculate how far a value of x from its average or mean with a sigma unit. Okay, so how many sigma? Okay, basically that's it. So in here, the value is 60, and the average or the mean is 80, and the sigma is 10, yeah, for the standard deviation. So in here, it would be minus 20 per 10. So it would be minus 2. Okay, in here, yeah, we are lucky that we have a rounded number, rounded Z-score, which is minus 2. Okay, if you already memorized the normal distribution sigmas and percentage, okay, you'll know that, yeah, where minus 2 is. Minus 2 is, yeah, in here, yeah. Okay, as you can see, it is in here. Okay, and you probably already know that 1 sigma to the right and left, yeah. Okay, plus minus 1 sigma to the right and left would be around 68%. Okay, and you also know that is if it is plus minus 2 sigma to the left and right, it would be 95%. Okay. Okay, so 95 in here, it means that if it is two-tail, remember, it looks like this. The middle is 95. So what's in the left tail and the right tail would be 5 divided by 2 would be 2.5 and 2.5, right? Okay. So in here, we know that the Z-score is 2, which is it is minus 2 sigma, minus 2, which is minus 2 sigma. And what we want to know is what the probability that a randomly selected student finals exam score is greater than 60. So 60 is here, so 80 is here. Okay, 60 is here. We want to know the probability for 60 to above here. Okay. So as you can see in here, if it is 2 sigma to the left and to the right, from here to here, this would be 95%. However, we want to go any further until to infinity in here. As you can see, the right tail would be 2.5 because it is from 95%, only 5% left, which is divided by 2, 2.5% on the right and 2.5% on the, yeah, on the right and on the left. Okay. So in here, since we want to calculate from minus 2 sigma or minus z equal minus 2 until infinity, it means that it should be 100% minus 2.5, which is this part. Yeah. So we only left we left this one behind. Yeah. We only want from minus 2 until infinity. So the answer would be around 97.25. Or the 2 sigma would be 95% plus 1 of the tail, which is 2.5. So the answer should be around 97.25. However, in the multiple choice, there is no exact figure, but there is some figure that is quite close to this one, which is it was 97.72%. So we can pick that answer. Even so, in here, even though we don't have a Z-score table, we can still answer the question correctly. Okay, I hope this can help you. Thanks for your time. See you again next time.